Ever wondered how to make authentic Italian pizza at home? Welcome to FlavorfulJourney, the culinary adventure where we unlock the secrets of world-class cuisines right from your kitchen. Today, the spotlight shines on the classic Italian Margherita pizza. From a dough that's homemade to a topping that's authentically Italian, prepare to embark on a truly flavorful journey. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of instant yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For the topping, get ready with some tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves, extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Begin by crafting the heart of the pizza, the dough. Combine the all-purpose flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Gradually introduce warm water and olive oil, mixing until a soft dough takes shape. Next, it's time to knead. Transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Shape it into a ball, place it in a lightly greased bowl, cover with a kitchen towel, and allow it to rise in a warm place. Wait for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and transfer it back to the floured surface. Roll it out into a thin circle, approximately 12 inches in diameter. This will be the base for the pizza. Now assemble the Margherita pizza. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over the pizza dough, leaving a border around the edges. Arrange slices of fresh mozzarella cheese on top, followed by fresh basil leaves. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide the assembled pizza onto a preheated baking sheet or pizza stone and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And voila! An authentic, delicious homemade Margherita pizza is ready to be served. Fresh out of the oven and bursting with Italian flavors, it's a true delight for your taste buds. Buon appetito! Thank you for joining this flavorful journey. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more delightful recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!